Hi, my name is Matteo Muro, and I'm here to tell you a bit about me. I live in Brandon, Manitoba, and I went to school here since kindergarten. I graduated from Vincent Massey High School and got my degree in math, physics, and biology at Brandon University, followed by an education degree, back in 2011. I eventually completed a Master's of Education specializing in educational technology in 2015. A few years ago, I became interested in blended learning and the open education movement. I wanted to start sharing my love of math and coding with the world. So I created a program where my grade 12 computer science students went out and taught Scratch in local elementary schools. This wasn't enough for me though, and eventually I made a YouTube channel so I could start sharing math content and computer science content with my students and the world. I also became interested in robotics along the way, and with the help from First Robotics Canada, I started a robotics club this year at my high school. I'm an avid user of social media and YouTube, and I'm trying to bring math to the world by putting all my lessons online. I've started creating 10-minute math reviews on grade 11 and 12 concepts found in the Manitoba math curriculum. I hope you find my channel useful, and give it a like and subscribe if you love math!